Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I pray God's richest blessing on all of you and your families, friends, and acquaintances. I'm going to be showing you how I make my all-purpose seasoning. These are the seasoning that I use the most, the powdered seasoning and herbs that I use the most. So I just decided to toss them all together and make my own all-purpose seasoning. You can use your favorite powdered seasoning herbs and mix them together. You know, everyone has their own liking, but these are the ones that I like and actually use the most. Just gonna toss them all in there and stir them up, mix them together, get a good blend, and just store it in a nice clean jar. And that's basically it. Make your very own. Instead of running to the store, you can make your own. Just get your seasoning, toss them together, and bottle them up. So you can double this up, triple it up, whatever you want. So I went ahead and I made a full jar. So I won't be making any more for a little while. And this is it. That's it. Thank you guys for watching. I hope you try it and I hope you like it. See you in the next video. Bye.